Hello, today we're going to do unboxing
of the gaming mouse.
our new Alienware mouse.
610M.
It's very heavy.
Model number is 610M. 350 hours on a charge.
It's wireless, guys.
It's wireless, but it also has a wired function where you can hook it up for USB
Yep.
for charging and for whatever. So it's ergonomic form factor, 350 hour battery life, rechargeable, dual mode wired or wireless, adjustable scroll wheel,
Super gaming mouse.
super gaming mouse for Alienware 16.8 RGB.
DPI.
Okay,
Yeah, open up now.
Peel. Out of peel.
Oh,
there
there
it
you
is.
go.
We got the dark one.
Ooh, it's the dark. What's the dark, huh?
It's this.
Look at that.
It's this. This is a button in the middle. This thing goes down. This thing is going like that. It's pushing down.
Let's take it out.
How does it get out?
Let's see. Comes right
Ooh,
out.
this.
Plastic on the bottom, leave it.
That's good.
Then you got this.
That's
There's the USB cable that comes with it. That plugs in. I think you have to open it up. Oh no, right in here.
the instructions. Oh, look
USB.
at this.
That's it. Oh, the instructions.
Let's try it.
How does it feel? Is it heavy?
It's not that heavy to me.
Okay, peel the bottom off.
Pill.
Oh.
There you go.
This is the on and off button.
Anything light? Is it charged?
What's this button?
610M. Something that lights up.
It's on.
Whoa,
Oh.
look. There you go. Have light up. Here, just show.
Well,
like
how
this,
does it
I think.
connect?
Ah,
Well, you know, it's wireless. This is
Yeah.
this is for charging it.
It's actually pretty good.
Big charger.
Alienware.com.
You can press on this.
Through Dell, we got it.
If you push this button, this is what happens. It makes this up
Yeah, higher.
and pushes it back
Yeah.
down. What's this?
Feels good in my hand.
Yeah, very
It's
good.
heavy.
Heavier.
Clicking, RJ. You hear the noise? No, you click that.
We got this the first button,
So this is what we got.
second button.
Yep.
USB cable
Oh, but you see, have some of these side adapters.
and the dongle, you call this.
What does this do?
And that, you unlock this USB.
How do you? Okay,
So,
this.
Here we are.
Oh.
This is a USB hub.
yeah.
Pretty much self-explanatory.
That's all it does.
You got 3 inputs.
Now, how are we
Four
gonna plug
inputs.
this in?
This goes into the computer and it gives you an additional 4 inputs for accessories.
Yeah, that's it.
I like it.
So guys, that's it for today and see you next video. Bye-bye.
Subscribe to my channel.